Hello America and Canada. Ever since GeoVital has been communicating on the internet in English, how it's been helping its patients over the last 30 years with radiation protection and healthier living, we've gotten an awful lot of interest from North America. We are delighted that we are now able to offer our training and courses here. North America is not much different from Europe and the rest of the world. Our population is exposed to high tension power lines, street power lines, a lot of more wiring in our houses, wireless devices that we have ourselves or our neighbors, and of course an ever increasing amount of mobile phone towers and smart meters.
My name's Chelsea Baker. I'm an award-winning business mentor, author and speaker, and I'm here at GeoVital. I have had an amazing time. It's been 4 days of absolute mind-blowing information. I've been shocked, horrified, and pleasantly surprised, and just the information, the scientific data, the research, the evidence, and the results and the solutions that I've seen here today and over the past 3 days have astounded me.
During our course, we will teach you how to measure and assess for radiation levels in your patients' or clients' homes and consult on how to rectify those with verifiable solutions.
Hi, my name's Simon Anselmi. I came here on Tuesday with some friends and I was interested and wanted to know what this was about. Today, it's 3 days later, I'm absolutely fascinated. It's been a real experience and I'm going to go away and practice and really go into this.
During the course, we'll be taking you to locations just like these. This is where we'll show you the difference between electromagnetic fields and electric fields. Now, most people know that it's not great to live near one of these high voltage power lines, but what they're not aware of is that the power lines running up and down the street, the little ones above the ground or underground, can be just as problematic because they're a lot closer to your house.
Under the tree?
Oh my God.
Now it's quiet.
Ow, why? It's some information that every human being in the world should have this information and should know the critical damage of radiation, whether it be high frequency, low frequency, all the different types of radiation that are polluting and destroying not only the cells in our body but our lives. And I think it's absolutely imperative that people start just understanding the damage that is causing people to get diseases that's actually happening in their homes, the places that they live and sleep.
New houses are wired for convenience, but if we have just one electrical cable in the bedroom wall that the bedhead is parked against, we've got trouble in 95% of houses.
If you have 300 or this, then I'm knocking down those receptors. So of course that we're going to have cardiovascular problems, neurological problems. I didn't mention this, but the two main causes of death in the whole world is cardiac problems, and if you see cardiac problems, the cardiovascular system have his gated voltage channels, and neurological problems, the same channels, I mean different. There's 149 different varieties of those channels, but those are the same channels. They cannot pick electricity, because if they pick electricity, I can tell you, they're gonna stop functioning well.
Yep.
That's why it's so important for us to be involved early, ideally before the plot of land is selected, or definitely when the house is being built or about to be built. That way we can do meaningful things with the wiring, so those internal wires won't be a problem, and we can apply shielding if required, or to future-proof the home.
And potentially integrate some of the aspects of this new knowledge into my practice as well, either directly working every day as a medical doctor, or indirectly all the time as potentially becoming a assessor for the Geovital Academy.